Namaste Krishna Ravji, happy birthday to you.
Good morning, Mr. Krishna Rao. Wish you a happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Krishna Rao uncle. I have always been a silent admirer of yours. Your positivity as reflected in your never say die attitude, happy-go-lucky nature, tremendous self-belief and wonderful ways are all worth emulating. How I wish I were like you. Have a memorable 85th birthday in the midst of your children and other loved ones. I am sure your blessings are always there for all of us. Wishing you many more years of good health and happiness.
Namaste uncle, a very happy birthday to you. It has been a real pleasurable time. Every moment that we have spent with you have been moments to be cherished. Enjoy your birthday, have a nice time, keep good health and continue to spread joy everywhere uncle as usual.
Hi Krishna Rao Tata, I hope you're doing good. I wish you a very happy 85th birthday and many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Uncle, Sri Krishna Rao Uncle. We wish you a very happy 85th birthday and many more to come. We are very blessed to have known you so personally. When we started Sampurnam, you have been right there from the first day in 2015, and all your family members and Shankar have contributed so much to Sampurnam, and it has been growing because of blessings from such good-hearted people like you. And you make it a point to come every year to Chennai only to attend Sampurnam's concerts. You mark it as a day to when to come. On the first day you are here, and you are here to attend all the concerts and help us always. Your presence and your blessings, we take that Sampurna will grow. And as personally, me, my wife and my daughter, we cherish your blessings and we pray to Lord Venkateswara to give you happiness, peace and long life. Thank you.
Hello uncle, wish you a very happy 85th birthday and many more happy returns of the day. I've known you from my childhood. I remember the first time I came to your house in Medipatnam along with Shankar, I sang Gajavadana Beduve and you immediately recorded the song, and I think you still have the recording with you. This music bonding between us has grown very strong over the years, and you were extremely happy and also extended your financial support when we informed you that we would be starting Sampurnam Foundation for Music and Arts in the year 2014. Not only this, every year you make it a point to travel all the way from Canada to Chennai just to attend Sampurnam concerts and to support us. We highly appreciate your love for music and the support you have been extending to us all these years. We pray to God for your immense happiness, good health and a peaceful life with your near and dear ones. Thank you uncle, happy birthday.
Hi Krishna Rao uncle, I hope you're doing well. For as long as I can remember, a Margari music season in Chennai has never been complete without your presence. I really like spending time with you during the season, watching you take such an interest in the concerts, taking so many photos and sharing them with us and inspiring us with your enthusiasm. I hope to see you again real soon during a music season, and here is the making more fun memories with you. I wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day.
85th birthday, Tata!
Hi, this is Syed Vibe. Stay energetic and stay safe.
This is Aparna. Hopefully we get to meet you soon.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Tata. Happy 85th birthday.
Happy 85th birthday!
Yay!
Hi Tata. Happy 85th birthday.
Happy 85th birthday.
Happy 85th birthday. We pray for your good health, Tata. Please bless us all.
Bye-bye.
Have a wonderful
soon.
birthday.
Have a great birthday.
See you soon.
Happy birthday uncle. Many happy returns of the day. మీ 85 సంవత్సరాలు దిగ్విజయంగా జరిగినాయి. ఇంకా రాబోయే 15 సంవత్సరాలు కూడా మీరు ఆయుర ఆరోగ్య అష్టైశ్వర్యాలతోటి ఉండాలని మిమ్మల్ని మనసారా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే వన్స్ అగైన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
Hi uncle, many happy returns of the day uncle. I hope the coming years bring more happiness and health.
Hi uncle, wishing you a very happy and joyful birthday. Stay healthy, cheerful and blessed always. Be happy.
Namaskaram uncle. Happy birthday on your special day.
Many happy returns of the day, sir.
Uncle, you are such an ideal person. We look upon you as an inspiring model in the family. You're very, very great, uncle.
And your energy and enthusiasm and love and warmth with which you keep connecting with everybody, not just family, everyone in the family, of course, and so many of your outside contacts and friends, it is absolutely marvelous to look at. And of course, I'll be failing in my duty if I don't recall the awesome encyclopedic information which you keep sharing with so many of us, be it rivers and mountains and flowers and fruits and monuments and temples and politics and jokes and cartoons. You know, the list is endless. You seem to be some kind of a master of so many things, like Rajnikant. You are the superstar in the family.
Uncle, you have got so many interests. So nice to see you. So bubbling with energy. Uncle, on the special day, please bless us. Thank you.
Happy birthday, uncle. Many, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day.
Many, many happy returns of the day. India, God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tata.
85వ పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు అన్నయ్య గారు.
కృష్ణారావు గారు, many, many happy returns of the day on your 85th birth anniversary on 1st August 2020. I wish and pray the Almighty to bless you and all your family members to be hale and healthy, and you to lead a happy and peaceful life for many more years to come.
Hello uncle, this year is another milestone marking your success. May the coming years bring you more happiness and health. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday to you, uncle.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy 85th birthday, Tata. Happy 85th birthday.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಮ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಮಾಮ. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ಗರಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ.
Many happy returns of the day, Tata. Happy birthday.
We sing happy birthday to you. We sing happy birthday to you. We sing happy birthday to you. And may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. This is your birthday song. Celebration all night long.
नमस्ते भैया, प्रणाम. कैसे हैं? आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद.
भगवान आपको हमेशा स्वस्थ रखे, अच्छा रखे, आपके परिवार को सब अच्छा रखे, यही कामना है. आपकी मुलाकात मेरे MBS के पहले आप ही गुरु हैं. आपके पास से सब बहुत कुछ सीखा है. नसीराबाद में आप रहे, मेरे पड़ोस में रहे और बड़े भाई का फर्ज आपने निभाया. भगवान ने हमको बार बार मिलाया है. हम लोनावाला में मिले, कलकत्ता में मिले, हर जगह मिले और आपका और बच्चों का बहुत बहुत साथ रहा हमारे को. बहुत बहुत थैंक यू. और आपको फिर से एक बार
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद. स्वस्थ रहो, निरोगी रहो, अच्छे रहो, खुश रहो और आपका आशीर्वाद ऐसे ही हम पे बना रहे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे, एंजॉय सब बच्चों के साथ में, हमारी तरफ से बच्चों को और बच्चों के बच्चों को भी
सबको परिवार को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
నమస్కారం అన్నయ్య గారు, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. మీరు మా అందరికీ మార్గదర్శకులు. మీరు మాకంతా చెప్పాలి, ఏమిటి ఎట్లా ఉండాలి ఏంటి ఇవన్నీ నేర్పాలి. మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మీ బర్త్డేకి మేము వచ్చి ఉంటే బాగుండేది, కానీ పరిస్థితులు ఇట్లా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి రాలేకపోతున్నాము. కానీ చాలా సంతోషం. మెనీ 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 మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే.
Yeah, this is Panimohan, Buddhimati's son. Wish you many happy returns of the day, uncle. It's very exciting and nice to know. We have been associated from last 47 years. You know me right from when I was a small child, and I always look forward to you as a friend, philosopher, and guide. Thank you very much, and wish you many many more happy returns of the day.
Hi uncle. Hello uncle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear uncle. Happy birthday to you. Uncle, मैं को नमस्कार कर रही हूँ, आशीर्वाद दीजिए.
Hi uncle, how are you? Happy birthday to you.
Namaste uncle. Happy birthday to you. Many many happy returns. మీకు మంచి హెల్త్ బాగుండాలి, దీర్ఘాయుష్మంతులుగా బాగుండాలి. యు ఆర్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ పర్సన్. సుధా మీ గురించి ఎప్పుడు చాలా బాగా చెప్తూ ఉండేది. మీరు చాలా మంచి ఫాదర్ అని, మా అప్ప అని ఎప్పుడు చాలా బాగా గొప్పగా చెప్పేది. వెరీ నైస్. యు హ్యావ్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ డాటర్స్, సక్సెస్ఫుల్ డాటర్స్. యు ఆర్ ఏ వండర్ఫుల్ పర్సన్. చాలా క్వైట్గా చాలా బాగా ఉంటారు మీరు. మాకు చాలా అభిమానం మీరంటే. నైస్. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే వన్స్ అగైన్ అంకుల్. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. నేను తెలుసు కదా సుధా ఫ్రెండ్ లాలసాని.
Hi uncle, how are you doing? It's glad to know that it's your birthday. Wow. Keep healthy always. Happy birthday to you.
Hello uncle, this is Suresh Mehra, and extremely happy to know that it's your birthday. I would like to also wish you a very happy birthday. I remember time spent with you at your home, and it was always very nice talking to you, and you never felt like you are a person of such age, and I always felt that I was talking to a person of the same age. So you made that kind of comfort factor to us, and I'm extremely happy to be associated, and from all of us, a very happy birthday. Thank you very much.
Dear uncle, wish you a very happy birthday and many more to come. Have a great day. Stay blessed.
Namaste uncle, happy birthday. God bless you with all the good health and happiness always. Have a wonderful time with your loved ones.
Namaste uncle, happy birthday. Wishing you joyful, healthy and long life. Take care, stay safe. Thank you uncle.
Have a wonderful time.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday dear Appa.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear uncle.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Tata. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.